Hi kids, today we will learn amazing animals that start with the letter P, and I will also tell you some interesting facts about these animals. So let's begin. P for Panda. Pandas eat up to 40 pounds of bamboo a day. Even though they are bears, they mostly eat plants and are known for being super gentle and cute. P for Peacock. A peacock's tail is super long and shiny with blue, green, and gold colors. The long tail feathers are called a train. When a peacock wants to impress a peahen, he spreads his tail feathers into a big fan and shakes them. It's like a colorful feather dance show. P for Pufferfish. Pufferfish puffs up by rapidly swallowing water or air to deter predators by becoming larger and harder to eat. P for Python. Pythons kill prey by coiling around and suffocating it, not by venom. Some species like the reticulated python can grow over 25 feet long, making them among the longest snakes in the world. P for Proboscis monkey. The proboscis monkey is one of the most fascinating and funny-looking primates on Earth. Males have enormous droppy noses that can grow over 7 inches long. The bigger the nose, the more attractive the male is to the females. P for Parrot. Some parrots can talk. They can mimic human speech and sounds and live for a very long time, some even up to 80 years. P for Penguin. Penguins are birds that cannot fly, but they are amazing swimmers. They can swim as fast as 15 miles per hour using their flipper-like wings. That's faster than most Olympic swimmers. P for Pelican. Pelicans have a huge beak which can grow up to 18 inches long. It is like a built-in fishing net. A big pouch under their beak is called a gular pouch, and they use it to scoop up fish and water. Then they drain the water and swallow the fish. P for Polar bear. Polar bears are the biggest bears in the world. Adult males can weigh up to 1,500 pounds. That is as heavy as a small car. Their fur looks white, but it is actually clear and transparent. It reflects the light, which makes them look white in the snow. P for Porcupine. Porcupines are famous for their quills, which are sharp, pointy hairs that protect them from predators. They can have up to 30,000 quills on their body. P for Pig. Pigs are one of the smartest animals on Earth. They can learn tricks, remember things, and even play simple video games. P for Pigeon. Pigeons are super navigators. They can fly over 1,000 miles and still find their way home with astonishing accuracy. I hope you kids enjoyed the video and learned some interesting facts about these animals. And for more educational content, like, share, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!